After learning about voltage, Arav had one more question.
Voltage pushes electricity, but what actually moves? Whoosh! Hello, I'm Kuro. I'm electric current.
The fastest little traveler in every circuit had arrived.
Come with me.
In one magical splash, they entered the river of current.
Wow, everyone is moving together.
Exactly. I'm simply the flow of electric charges.
Imagine these are water pipes. The small pipe carries little water. The big pipe carries much more.
So more water flowing means bigger current?
Exactly. More charges flowing every second,
Let's count. When 1 second ended, 5 smiling charges had crossed. Current tells us how many charges pass every second. So current measures flow. You got it.
The magical journey continued. Soon they reached the
City of Current. Wow, this place is incredible.
This is where electricity chooses different paths.
Welcome back, young scientist. Today we'll discover one of electricity's greatest secrets.
Another secret?
This one happens at every junction. Watch carefully. No charge disappears here. No new charge suddenly appears.
They simply choose different paths.
At the junction, 10 charges arrived. 6 went left. 4 went right.
6 plus 4 equals 10. Woohoo!
This is Kirchhoff's current law. Current entering a junction always equals the current leaving the junction.
Hooray!
Think about a river. One river becomes 2 streams. The water never disappears.
Just like electric current.
Nature always keeps everything balanced. Now the magic became a real electrical circuit.
Watch carefully. When I reach the junction, I simply split into 2 paths, and both bulbs receive
Amazing!
current.
They both light up together.
Can you solve today's mystery?
12 amps entered the junction. One branch carries 5 amps.
How much current flows through the second branch? Let me think. I know the answer. 12 amps entered, 5 amps went this way, so the other branch must carry 7 amps.
Correct. Excellent work, young scientist.
Fantastic job! You're becoming a real circuit scientist.
Now you know how current behaves. Hooray! Remember, I never stop moving.
I provide the push.
I control the flow.
And nature always stays balanced.
Thank you, my friends.
Electric current is the flow of electric charges. At every junction,
That is Kirchhoff's current law.
Science is magical when you stand it. See you in the next adventure.